Hi guys, welcome to the channel Learn Concepts with Nikhil. Learn Concepts with Nikhil, Discover, Learn and Grow. So in this video, in this video we will learn some more advanced prompting techniques. Not advanced, but like these are used to talk effectively with the AI, and even it can give the best possible answers for us with these prompting techniques. First is RTF. RTF is nothing but in the last class we have discussed, right? Like a role-based technique. That is only RTF. RTF. The full form of RTF is role, task, and format. We will be assigning a role to the AI, and we will be clearly defining the task and the goals, and we will be providing the format in which format we want the output करके. So the example is you are a career coach. Here we have assigned a here we have assigned a role. Then provide five resume tips. This is a task. It will be providing five resume tips, right? That is a task in bullet point format. Bullet point format is nothing but format. So we have assigned a role, we have assigned and defined a task, as well as we have specified a format so that it will be giving the answer in that format only. It will be giving the response in that format only. So this is about RTF, role task format prompting. Next comes tag. Tag is nothing but task audience goal prompting. So task define the specific task, like what is the task you want to perform with the AI करके. Next you have to define the target audience for whom the task is intended to, and the goal of the task, right? Like let's see, write a LinkedIn post. This is the task, right? For recent graduates, these are the target audience, right? And the goal is on networking strategies to help them land their first job is the goal, right? So write a LinkedIn post is nothing but the task. We are giving the task to the AI. Then for recent graduates, it is nothing but like these are the target audience. We are targeting to them. And this is the goal on networking strategies to help them land their first job, right? Next, BAB. BAB is nothing but before, after, and bridge. Before is nothing but the current state, after is nothing but the desired state, and bridge is nothing but the filling the gap between before and after. So before, I struggle with time management, like current state, right? Before is nothing but we can call it as current state. I am struggling with the time management. Okay, this is before. In after stage, I want to be more productive. Like in future, I want to be more productive. So what can I do now in order to be more productive in future? That is nothing but bridge. Bridge is nothing but how can I bridge the gap? Like how to bridge the gap between the current state and the desired state. It is something like gap analysis. So this is about BAP. Next is care. Care is nothing but context, action, result, and example prompting. Care prompting. Context. Provide background information about the particular task or particular thing. Action. Define what needs to be done of that context. Like you will be providing the information, and you will be defining the action. Result. Explain the expected outcome. Like expected outcome define karo. Like we have to define the expected outcome too. And the example is give a reference or similar video. See, we will be giving an example like uh, you can understand, right? It is quite intuitive. In order to get the desired state, for example, I'm a software engineer working remotely. This is a background information, right? Context. I'm the software engineer working remotely is a context. Suggest ways to improve my daily routine, like that is a action. Like we are giving some task to AI to give us some insights, like to give us some suggestions. So it is performing a task, right? So it is called as action. The background is I am a software engineer, and what action I want to perform, like what is the task I want AI to perform? It is nothing but I want to suggest, I want AI to suggest me some ways to improve my daily routine. And to increase productivity is nothing but result, right? I will be giving my background and I will be asking AI to give me some task like I will be asking AI to give some suggestions that is nothing but task to AI for some result for productivity in this case. An example could be time blocking techniques. So the we are training AI with some examples so that AI can suggest in that what we can say like in that format only. Like based on example, it can suggest some similar examples or similar ways, right? That is nothing but care. Context, action, result, and example. Next is RISE. RISE is nothing but again role, instruction, step, and example. This is somewhat related to Markdown prompting. In we will be discussing about Markdown special prompting structure when we are creating custom GPTs, but it is somewhat similar to Markdown. But let's see what is RISE. RISE prompting. RISE is nothing but we will be assigning a role to AI. Then instruction. We will be giving a clear instruction, task or guideline. Steps. Ask for a structured response. We will be asking AI for give a structured response in the form of steps. Example, provide a reference. Like it will be a reference so that it can provide the response in that format only, in the example format only. So steps is nothing but AI will be giving you the structured response, and example is nothing but the reference. It will be giving the like it will be giving the response based on the examples format only, right? So it will be taking the reference from the examples. So you are a fitness trainer. Here we have mentioned and assigned a role to artificial intelligence that is nothing but AI. And we are giving instructions or specific guidelines. Create a beginner friendly workout plan with step-by-step guidance. These are steps, right? We are asking AI to perform some instructions or so we are giving instructions or guidelines to AI. Create a beginner friendly workout plan. Like we are asking AI, we are giving instruction to AI to create a workout plan instruction with a step-by-step guidance that is nothing but it will be giving in steps in a structured format, right? For example, include warm up, main exercises, and cool down so that it will be taking these exercises as a reference and it will be generating the response based upon these examples in the step-by-step structured manner of the task because it has been assigned a role. So these are the important prompting technique, guys. So from the next video, we will be jumping directly into AI tools and we will be learning each AI tool, the main AI tools which can make your life better as well as like which can make your personal and professional life better. So thank you guys.